now, you're going to learn one of the most important rules in math, and that is called order of operations. When solving a math expression involving more than one operation, we must follow the order of operations to ensure that any other individual doing the same problem will come up with the exact same answer. If you remember this acronym PEMDAS, then you remember the order of operations, because each letter in PEMDAS stands for something that you need to do. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. Let's have an example. In this example, we have quantity 6 plus 2 squared divided by 4 times 2 minus 3 plus 1. First that we have to do with the order of operation is to solve everything located inside the parentheses. In this example, we have 6 plus 2 inside the parentheses, which is 8. After writing the answer to the first part that we had to do, bring down every other part of our math expression that we did not touch in the first step. The next step that we have to do for the order of operations is the exponents. And we have exponent here that is attached to the number 8. And 8 squared is equals to 64. And once again, we have to bring everything down that we did not touch from the previous step. After you finish with everything inside the parentheses and finish with the exponents, you must multiply or divide from left to right. Now, a lot of people mistaken to think that you always multiply before you divide, but this is not true. You look for whichever of the two operations appear first in your math expression from left to right. And the first one of those two symbols to appear from left to right is the division sign. So we have to solve 64 divided by 4, and 64 divided by 4 is equals to 16. We have to bring down the times 2 minus 3 plus 1. So next that we need to solve is 16 times 2, which is 32. Bring down the minus 3 plus 1. And the last step to the order of operations is to add and subtract. And all you have remaining are subtraction and addition signs you have to solve in order from left to right. 32 minus 3 is 29, and 29 plus 1 is 30. So the answer to this math expression is 30.
Let's have another example. In this example, we have 6 times quantity 5 minus 3 squared plus 10. First is to solve everything located inside the parentheses. In this example, we have 5 minus 3 inside the parentheses, which is 2. After writing the answer, bring down every other part of our math expression that we did not touch in the first step. The next step that we have to do for the order of operation is the exponent. And we have exponent here that is attached to the number 2. And 2 squared is equal to 4. And once again, bring everything down that we did not touch from the previous step. After you finish with everything inside the parentheses and finish with the exponent, you must multiply or divide from left to right. So we have to solve 6 times 4. And 6 times 4 is equal to 24. Then bring down the plus 10. And the last step to the order of operation is to add and subtract. We have 24 plus 10. And 24 plus 10 is equal to 34. So the answer to this math expression is 34. And now you know how to use PEMDAS in solving math expressions. I hope you learn a lot from us. Thank you for watching!